Everyone's obsessed with their 10-step routine and the latest TikTok serum, but you're missing the point entirely. Most skincare ingredients do absolutely nothing. Your skin doesn't care about 90% of what you put on it. Think about your friend who uses like 2 products and has perfect skin. Then there's you, with a bathroom full of bottles, and your skin looks the same as it did a year ago. The skincare industry makes $150 billion a year, convincing you that you need more. You don't. After 50 years of dermatology research, only a few ingredients have actually been proven to change your skin. Everything else is just expensive water with good marketing. Let's start with the most proven one, retinol. Retinol is one of the most researched anti-aging ingredients. It increases collagen production and speeds up cell turnover, which means your skin sheds dead cells faster and replaces them with fresh ones. This improves texture, reduces fine lines, and evens out skin tone. Start with a low concentration, 0.25 to 0.5%, and only use it at night. Your skin needs time to build tolerance. Apply it 2 to 3 times per week initially, then work up to nightly use. Results take 12 weeks minimum, but they're worth the wait. And never skip sunscreen the next morning. Retinol makes your skin more sensitive to UV damage. Now here's the ingredient most people don't know about, but should: niacinamide. Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3, and it does multiple things at once. It reduces inflammation, regulates oil production, and strengthens your skin barrier. If you have oily skin or visible pores, this is non-negotiable. It's also one of the gentlest active ingredients. It doesn't irritate, doesn't conflict with other products, and works for all skin types. You can use it morning or night, and you'll see results within 4 to 8 weeks. Most people ignore this ingredient because it's not marketed as aggressively as others, but it's one of the most effective. Then there's vitamin C, but most people are using it completely wrong. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that protects your skin from free radical damage and brightens over time. But not all vitamin C products work. You need L-ascorbic acid, the most effective form, at a concentration between 10 and 20%. Anything less won't penetrate deep enough. Apply it in the morning before sunscreen. They work together to protect your skin from UV and environmental damage. The catch is that vitamin C oxidizes quickly when exposed to light and air, so if your serum turns brown or yellow, it's useless. Store it properly, use it consistently, and expect brightening results within 8 to 12 weeks. For hydration, there's only one ingredient that actually matters: hyaluronic acid. It holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water, falls into the group of humectants, which means it pulls moisture into your skin and keeps it there. Do not forget to apply it on damp skin, not dry. If you apply it to completely dry skin, especially in low humidity, it can actually pull moisture from deeper layers of your skin, making things worse. After cleansing, while your face is still slightly damp, apply hyaluronic acid, then seal it in with a moisturizer. You'll see immediate plumping and hydration with cumulative benefits over time. And finally, the one ingredient that prevents more aging than everything else combined: sunscreen. Sunscreen blocks UV damage, which is responsible for the majority of premature aging you see. Wrinkles, dark spots, loss of elasticity, most of that is sun damage. Use SPF 30 minimum every single morning, even indoors, even on cloudy days, because UV rays penetrate even windows and clouds. If you're using retinol or vitamin C and skipping sunscreen, you're wasting your time. Those ingredients make your skin more vulnerable to UV damage, so protection is mandatory. Apply a quarter-sized amount to your face and neck and reapply every 2 hours if you're in direct sun. So here's your complete ingredient strategy. Start with these 5, nothing more. For morning routine, use vitamin C serum on clean skin, hyaluronic acid while your face is still damp, moisturizer to seal it in, then sunscreen. Every single day, no exceptions. For night routine, use a cleanser, retinol 2 to 3 times per week to start, hyaluronic acid, and a moisturizer. Add niacinamide either morning or night. If you're oily, morning works best. If your skin is dry, use it at night. That's it. 5 ingredients, 2 simple routines. Results in 8 to 12 weeks for most people. Nothing complicated, nothing expensive, just what actually works. That's all your skin needs to transform. Stop wasting money on everything else. If you want more science-backed content on building a better appearance, subscribe. This is what Transcender Project is about: cutting through the noise and refining what actually works.